Dell XPS9570-5632SLV-PUS 15.6 inches traditional laptop. Reviewed deal discount unboxing setup. I'm a designer whose primary hobby is photography. A few years back, I switched from Mac to PC, because I work in VR and Apple had yet to produce a system capable of the heavy lifting that technology needs. While it was certainly easy to construct PC desktop machines that were far more capable than an iMac, finding proper laptops to meet or exceed Apple's standards hasn't been as easy. Until now. This Dell XPS 9570 is a gorgeous, powerful machine. Don't make the mistake of thinking that the 8GB or i5 spec make it less robust. Each component is the latest generation and has been designed to do substantially more with less, all while keeping the machine cool and nimble. In fact, when compared to my 2-year-old Surface Pro with twice the memory and 30% more numerical processing power, this machine is substantially faster. The newer RAM and processor are more efficient, if they look less powerful on paper. As for the build quality, you'll notice it immediately when you unbox the machine. Dell has gone out of its way to hone the look and feel of everything from the charger to the box it's packaged in. The unboxing experience says we're proud of this machine and you will be too. What strikes me most is the high quality of the screen. It's absolutely gorgeous. Edge-to-edge brilliance. As a designer and photographer, I care about color and accuracy, and this screen has that in spades. This model is not a touch screen, which I do miss, as I got used to it on my dated Surface Pro, but I also appreciate that I'm not putting fingerprints all over the screen either. The keyboard and touchpad are comfortable and tactile. I love the Windows Hello fingerprint reader. The fact that it's also the power button makes it super easy to log into the machine. With an SSD drive, you're up and running moments after turning this gem on. Aside from all of the hardware goodness, this machine just works. I love how nimble it is with Adobe Lightroom CC. This is always my test software, and the XPS 9570 edits complex, large file images quickly and efficiently. I selected the option to use graphics processor, and Lightroom takes full advantage of the machine's NVIDIA GPU. Edits are quick and renderings in grid view are fast enough for me to scroll quickly through older images that aren't saved locally and must render from the web. While the machine has a smaller 256GB hard drive, using modern storage management built into solutions like OneDrive and Lightroom CC, I'm able to keep the majority of my files in the cloud to preserve space and only keep local copies of what I use regularly. So it works out just fine, and the speed is well worth it. All in all, I highly recommend this machine. It's a gorgeous piece of hardware that works perfectly for substantially less cost than a similar Mac. If you're a visual creative, you can't go wrong. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.